Hi friends, you received my new outdoor security camera, compatible, Hikvision compatible. It is a 6 megapixel camera. It has human and car detection technology, movement detection technology. It has also night vision, and it has a really nice look and feel. You can connect it directly to Ethernet power cable or a coaxial cable. It comes with screws to mount it, and it also has these accessories to make it really waterproof if you connect it through the Ethernet cable for power. It has basic instructions for all kind of connections, and of course the app instructions. You can have an app in your phone to see the images. As you can see, it has these like flash lights. This is the actual camera, the microphone and built-in speaker, and you can install an SD card here in the back part of it, so you will get also local recordings. Okay, so it's a really nice equipped camera.